Have you ever wondered what are third-party affiliate networks? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of a third-party affiliate network? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of using third-party affiliate networks to sell? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about increase your online sales with third-party affiliate networks. Now let's get into it. Third-party affiliate networks such as Commission Junction, Linkshare, ShareSale, and ClickBank are essential resources for serious online affiliate marketers. They provide the affiliate marketer with products to sell, website content, hourly stats, and complete tracking and collecting services. More importantly, they send out your monthly commission checks. If you're new to online affiliate marketing, perhaps a brief and explanation is needed. Any webmaster or marketer can join an affiliate program and place affiliate links on their websites or blogs. If a visitor to your site clicks on one of your affiliate links or banners and goes to that company's site and buys a product or signs up for a service, you earn a commission for having referred that customer. A commission can run from a few cents to hundreds of dollars or more, depending on the product's price and your percentage of the sale. Third-party affiliate networks are like mega affiliate sites. View them as malls for the online affiliate marketer. There are thousands of companies under one roof or control panel. An affiliate can join a third-party network like Linkshare, and once accepted, you will be able to access and promote thousands of high-profile companies like Apple, Dell, and Radio Shack. The affiliate then uses the merchant's banners, online coupons, or text link codes to promote their chosen merchants. The main advantage of using a program like Linkshare and those mentioned above, you can easily join and control all your affiliate links and codes through one site. It acts like an agent for marketers. It will work on your behalf for a small percentage of the commissions. The only drawback, expect to earn slightly less than if you dealt directly with the merchants involved because these third-party programs do take their cut. First, like most people starting an online business, my skeptical thinking was in overdrive. I had many doubts and misgivings. I have a background in art, and even as a very minor fine artist I have had a lot of experiences with art dealers and gallery owners. Most of my artworks were sold on consignment, and sometimes just getting your commission checks was either a constant pain or a very long wait, usually 2 to 3 months. I expected the same with working on the internet. I had preconceived ideas that have been proven totally false. To my complete surprise, all of my dealings with these companies have been very professional and pleasantly rewarding. These companies do send you your commissions, and most send them on a regular and timely basis. Anyone who is used to getting a regular paycheck every 2 weeks may also be surprised, like I was, to get 10 to 20 regular checks each month. For the first couple of months, I was operating in a shock and awe mode. Commission Junction. One of the first affiliate programs I used was Commission Junction, www.𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞. It was acquired by ValueClick in 2003, and they have around 1,300 companies from which you may choose to promote. Most merchants offer pay-per-sale or pay-per-lead, and many merchants offer performance bonuses. You also have the option of direct deposit for your payments. They pay monthly and they pay regularly. The way their control panel or monthly stats are handled does take some getting used to at first, but once you start working with CJ, things run very smoothly and they have the best reporting and tracking of all these programs. One major plus, they tell you which companies are earning the most money for affiliates. You can then judge which merchants are worth promoting on the internet. Commissions are different for each company, some go as high as 50%. Linkshare. Linkshare, www.linkshare.com, is one of the oldest affiliate programs on the web. It has just been taken over by the Japanese portal Rakuten, with a price tag of $425 million. Linkshare's statistics and reporting are very comprehensive with their synergy analytics system. Top brand merchants make this program worth your while. It has a large number of Fortune 500 companies that provide the affiliate marketer with well-known products to promote. Some of my checks from them have been very slow in coming, but they do arrive. But this area, in my opinion, has to be improved upon. Hopefully, the Japanese takeover will improve things. 𝐥𝐤𝐤. 𝐥𝐤𝐤, www.𝐥𝐤𝐤.com, is also a very easy system to work. It has good stats and joining merchants is a breeze. It has around 1,700 merchants to choose from. I only have a few programs with 𝐥𝐤𝐤, so my experience is limited, but they do send their checks out on time, usually the month following your sales. The control panel is easy to use and reporting is also excellent. ClickBank. ClickBank, www.clickbank.com, is a little different in that it deals mainly in digital download products. The commissions from ClickBank are much higher, usually around 40% to 50% or even higher. Personally, although I have a marketing website, I have found selling marketing info products to be the toughest niche to crack. Mainly because you have stiff competition from the best internet marketers who have large contact lists and know exactly what they're doing. To further explain, these top marketers will often offer a whole array of their own bonuses when marketing a high-ticket item. This tactic will quickly eat up a large share of customers who want to buy any given product. ClickBank has over 10,000 products that a marketer or webmaster can promote. ClickBank also pays every 2 weeks. They will hold back a small percentage to cover chargebacks, but you receive this holdback a little later. Small price to pay for getting your checks every 2 weeks. ClickBank has the least user-friendly online stats of all these programs, although it now offers a search engine to help you find your products to market. I have always found it difficult to check which product has sold, so many nicknames for the different products, I find it hard to keep track of what products are selling. Although you can buy software programs to solve this problem. Amazon. Amazon is another online company that also handles some third-party orders. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 is one of their merchants. Very good stats and easy links to place on your sites. Commission rates are rather low. I sell laptops through my main site, and an average priced laptop will bring in around $25 in commissions. A commission from independent affiliate programs like 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 or Rock Direct would be double or triple that amount. On the other hand, I found the conversion rate for Amazon to be higher, mainly, I believe, because people are used to buying from Amazon online. It has earned their respect and has a well-earned reputation for service and quality. Consumers feel comfortable ordering from Amazon. You may earn less per sale, but you make many more sales, so it evens out. Note that payments are only done quarterly, but if you work with Amazon to any extent, those checks can be quite large. My number one tactic for using these affiliate networks. Keep your eyes open and watch carefully to see which companies are doing a lot of advertising, TV, radio, newspapers, in the real world. Many times, all this advertising will point to a popular trend or item that's selling rapidly. Pick those same products or companies from any of the affiliate programs listed here and place the affiliate links on your sites. For instance, Dell does a lot of TV commercials. When people go online and come across a Dell product on your site, chances are good that they have already just watched a commercial for the same product and may be in the mood for more information or even in the market for that product. Pick companies that do a lot of advertising, are household names, and are very familiar to your website visitors. The internet is still a very scary place in most people's minds. A well-known and well-advertised product or company will help break down this barrier. It will make your job as an affiliate marketer just that much easier. And help make those monthly commission checks just a little bit bigger. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video about increase your online sales with third-party affiliate networks. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.